In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Adobe Firefly for generative AI. Adobe Firefly is a web-based creative tool that turns plain language prompts into images, videos, audio, vector graphics, and even precise edits. It's designed for commercial use with models trained on Adobe stock and other licensed content so you can create confidently. To begin, head to fireflyadobe.com and sign in with your Adobe account. Both free and paid plans work, and each comes with a monthly pool of generative credits that power your renders. Once you're on the dashboard, pick the mode that matches your goal. If you want to create visuals from scratch, choose text to image. Type a clear, detailed prompt like vibrant sunset over mountains, photorealistic, then set options such as content, type, art, or photo, and if needed, add a structure or style reference to keep results consistent. Click Generate, review the variations, and use Favorite or Upscale to keep the best ones. If the output isn't quite right, refine your prompt and generate again. Iteration is the secret to great results. Good prompts are specific. Think about style, mood, lighting, and composition. For example, close-up portrait of a cat in a cyberpunk city, neon lights, shallow depth of field. Before generating, set the aspect ratio to square or landscape depending on where you'll use it. Choose the model, such as Firefly Image 3 for high-quality photos and artworks, and add references when you need a consistent look across multiple assets. For edits, choose Generative Fill. You can remove distractions, replace skies, or add new objects by selecting an area and describing what you want there. When you're happy, export as PNG or JPG or send your result directly to Photoshop or Illustrator to keep refining with your usual tools. If you're working with video, explore camera controls like zoom and pan to add motion, and use style references to align footage with a specific aesthetic. For audio, you can translate voiceover or add sound effects to match your scene. Firefly also supports vector outputs for logos and icons, and it connects with Adobe Express for quick text effects or Illustrator for recoloring. Keep an eye on your credit balance in your account settings. Credits reset monthly, and paid plans simply give you more room to experiment. For inspiration and updates, join the Firefly community on Discord or the forum and learn from shared prompts and settings. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Firefly tips and tutorials.